The latest release of Discovery AIM brings you a visualization enhancement that speeds up the pre-processing steps in your analysis. Sometimes it can be difficult to see details within large assemblies. When you need to review contact between parts and their locations, region interfaces and boundary conditions, joints and spring connections, viewing individual parts is easier than the entire assembly. Discovery AIM now brings you Explode views in the physics setup task, making it significantly easier to show contact details of components. And with a dynamic slider to specify the explode factor, it's easier than ever to find setup details and review large assemblies. For more information on this capability and others, please visit ansys.com/AIM.